Hello guys, welcome to the video. In this video, we're going to look at what Eval is. What Eval basically does, and like I said, Eval is a built-in function in Python programming language. This Eval tend to evaluate a particular expression. What I mean by evaluate, it can evaluate some mathematical operation and a whole lot of other things. But how can we make use of this? Let me give an example. Let's say in a situation, have something like 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. In this scenario, we can perform mathematical operation in this way because these are all string of can say character kind of, they're all string. You can't perform mathematical operation like this. So but with this eval function, we can deliberately perform mathematical operations on this. So how can we do that? By putting eval in front of it. This eval, like I said, is a built-in Python function, and then includes this expression in it. It's going to automatically perform the mathematical this string that we specified there. So let me print out myself. Can see I was able to get 10. We know that 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is what? 6. And then plus 4 is that of 10. You can see I was able to perform mathematical operations on it. You can see this is one of the great use cases of this eval when it comes to Python programming language. We are going to definitely make use of this in when we start building our calculator in this Kinta series tutorial. We are going to use this to create a particular I'm going to use this to create calculators, so we can what we're just going to do is to display this on the screen, and then we're going to evaluate it for us to get the output. I know that since this thing is done like this, have kind of security risk that is also attached to it, why it's not mainly advised to make use of this eval. And one of the number one security risk that comes with this is that since that this eval, it evaluates arbitrary Python code, which can be a whole lot of security risk when it comes to ourselves. But apart from that, this eval tends to have a whole lot of advantage. We are going to make use of this, and we're going to also specify the better way to make use of this eval rather than just writing it in this way. But I think this should be enough to explain everything that we need in this video. We can perform other mathematical operation on it, like putting that of minus, and then also put a step here. It's just to help you to evaluate. It can see we got 11. No, 1 minus 2 is this thing. The 1 minus 2 should be minus 1 times this thing. You already know the output, but the look, you can see here should be minus 1, and then 3 times 4 should be 12. 12 minus 1, I can say minus 1 plus 12. I think that should give you the plus 11, like how we did there. We also decided to include this in a bracket. You can see we still got the 11 as the output. So with this, we can perform some mathematical operation in this way by making use of this eval. You can say evaluation to evaluate a particular string. A whole lot of other use of evaluation string, but we can also turn a kind of a string of list to a standard list. Let's say in a situation I have this kind of list. So inside they have maybe something like 1 inside there. Okay, let me make it double quote. Got something like 1 inside there, and then I have 2 inside here. So if I check the type, what type this guy belong to, it's going to tell me that it belong to, okay, let me put type here. This guy is belong, going to tell me is this a string. So let's look at this. You can see class string, but with this eval, if I were to put eval here, it's going to definitely it's going to turn it to a list automatically for us. So let's run this. You can see class is now become list. So this about the advantages of this eval cannot be emphasized. The advantages is just so much that all we can do is just to learn and learn how to apply them. It has a whole lot of advantage which we are going to use to build basic calculator or advanced calculator by making this eval. So in a situation where we can just input anything we input and then get it and then use this eval to evaluate it. So that's just what I want to look at. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.